Hello, welcome to Valucop YouTube channel. So today I'll be showing you how to use the bundle wallet. So the bundle wallet makes it very easy for you to deposit funds from your account and into the wallet, and then you can easily buy Bitcoin or Ethereum. Many persons have challenges when it comes to trying to buy or accumulate some of these crypto assets. And one way to start accumulating crypto assets or start investing in cryptocurrency is to first of all buy Bitcoin or Ethereum. And then with Bitcoin or Ethereum, you can use it to buy or accumulate other crypto assets. So some persons prefer to buy these crypto assets via peer-to-peer transactions. That's buying from someone who is selling or selling back to someone who wants to buy. But most often than not, some persons want to have little funds. Maybe they want to buy 5,000 naira worth or 10,000 naira worth, and they cannot easily buy this quantity from the peer-to-peer sellers because these quantities might be too small for them to buy from the peer-to-peer sellers. So this leaves an option for a channel where people can easily buy Bitcoin with little money they have and start accumulating in bits. It gives the average man an opportunity to buy Bitcoin in bits or accumulate Bitcoin in bits with however little funds they have. So that's why Bundle makes it very easy. Bundle makes it very, very easy for you to do this. With Bundle, you can easily buy Bitcoin, and then enter buying and selling within the app is free of charge. Deposit from your account is you make the deposit with very little fees, and when you withdraw, it's very cheap. So Bundle offers you the option of depositing from your account with your ATM card at a very, very low fee, and then you can easily buy and sell within the app at no fee at all, and then you can easily withdraw back to your bank account or send it out to another wallet or another exchange. So to do this, first of all, click the link beneath this video and set up your Bundle account. You will need to go through excuse me some steps. You need to go through some steps whereby you upgrade your account. It's not hard. It's not hard at all. It's not hard at all. So when you set up everything, you see the asterisk or red star to tell you what you need to do to like upgrade, to finish setting up your account. When all those X's are green, red X's are now green, you know your account is ready for you to start doing everything you want to do. And then of course you see a place where you have to like put your bank card and add your withdrawal bank account, so that whenever you want to convert your Bitcoin back to cash and send it back to your account, you can easily do that. So of course there are security settings whereby you can use leverage on your device security and also your transaction PIN. So it makes it it's so that it'll be easy for anyone to manipulate your Bundle wallet. And of course they have a community whereby you can easily ask a question on Telegram. So after you're done setting up a profile, so next thing you should do is you come to your NGN Naira wallet, you click Naira, and then you click add cash. Now you have two options here. You have your card and your bank transfer. Card is very fast. In fact, this 15 minutes is even too much. This 15 minutes is even too much. Then the bank transfer part, whereby you transfer to a particular specific account. So I prefer using card. So you go to card and then you put in the amount you want to put in, and you put in your card, and then you can easily deposit. Same thing like when you want to cash out. So maybe you have Bitcoin in your account or you want to cash out, you can do cash out, and then see, transaction fee of withdrawing straight to your bank is 15 naira. Very, very, very cheap. Seriously, this app has really been serving me. I'm not being promotional about this app. I'm just sharing an app that really helped me and can easily help you too. This is not a promotional video for the app per se. It's just trying to tell you something that helped me that can also help you too if you're in Nigeria. So after that, you can easily click on BTC, and you can now buy BTC with the funds you have. You can now buy BTC with the funds you have here. So if you have, after you've deposited from your account, you see the funds in your Naira. So you can choose your local currency, and then you put in the amount you want to buy and the quantity you want to buy. Because if you can't estimate the quantity in BTC, just switch the purple button and then select, put in the amount that you have. It will show you the equivalent, and then you click next and you confirm. Excuse me. So this is how to use it to buy and sell. Then let's just say that you have BTC, you want to. Alright, here's how to buy and sell within the bundle app. So after you've deposited your Naira into the bundle wallet, all you have to do is just go to the coin that you want to buy, which is either BTC or Ethereum or anyone. So you click on the BTC, and then you click on buy, and you select where you deposit the money, which is Naira, and you select you might not know the quantity of BTC, the value, so you just go to you pay and edit it to how much you want to buy. So you're paying 20,000 naira and you're getting this quantity of BTC, that's 0.0027, which is equivalent to 20,000 naira. So you click next, and it will take you to, right now I don't have up to the amount in Naira, so let's just say 1,000. You click next and you click confirm. So that's it. It automatically buys the BTC for you using the Naira you funded your wallet with. There is no charge for you. There is no fee for you. Same thing with if you want to buy Ethereum within the app. Same thing. If you buy it, you can also sell it. You can buy it within here, and then if the price go up, you can easily sell it within this place and get the balance, and then you can withdraw. If you want to withdraw, you click withdraw, and then withdraw it away. You put the amount you want to withdraw, and you paste the address of the Ethereum you want to withdraw. If you want to receive, this is the address for receiving. Remember, addresses are unique to each wallet, so you copy this address and you paste it wherever you're getting the Ethereum from, maybe from an exchange or from another wallet. You paste it there and send the amount. It will appear here in no time at all. So this is simple. Everything here, just to start using your bundle wallet. First thing first, deposit your Naira. Just click your Naira NGN and click add cash, and then use any of these options to deposit from your account. And after you deposited, you can go to BTC and you buy BTC, or you can go to ETH or you buy Ethereum, and then and probably do whatever you want to do with your cryptocurrency. Either you want to hold it, like now, let's just say Bitcoin is going to hit $16,000 from today's price, and then you bought some BTC, so you can easily make a little bit of profit by just buying now. That's at 15k plus, and then take out profit, sell the profit out when it gets to 16k, that kind of thing. You can do all that within this app at no fee at all. And also you can buy within here and then deposit it to maybe your exchange or your wallet, or you want to send it out to somebody. So Bundle is a very simple app to use. If you have any question in using Bundle, just send me a DM. Remember, this is not a promotional video. It's just me trying to show you one of the apps that have helped me to easily buy and sell my crypto and get cash straight to my bank account, to my Naira account, or to send it out to other wallets or exchanges. Thank you. Don't forget to click the subscribe button, and don't forget to click the like button. So if you have any questions about any other kind of video you want me to make for you, just send your questions across or your suggestions across. Thank you. It's always value first with Valucop.